Look no.
Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. We just had some news come out at 8:30. Let me try to figure out what that was. I'm drawing a blank right now. Um, I'm probably not even gonna trade today. I just pulled up just to pull up. You know what I'm saying? Just to pull up and be like, yo, what do we have at 8:30? Unemployment claims. Yeah, that's what we have. Unemployment. So let's go ahead and get on into the market. See where we at. Oh, this supposed to. You see what I'm saying? Hold on. This supposed to be. Oh, but it won't let me change it now. Well, I ain't got no higher time frame today. That's crazy. Yo, technical difficulties on aisle 3. Hey, what can you do? I'm live though, so we gonna chill. I'll just show y'all the higher time frame over here. I'll go like this. Boom. Show y'all the daily. So this where we at for real. That's what I'm looking at. Let's make this look a little better. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so this what I'm looking at. So this really the range now. We're gonna go ahead and move these right there. I can delete this. I can delete that. I can delete this right now, but we know it's there. London High. Delete that right now too. So this is where we're working at right now. Let's just see something on the daily. There was it. Okay, cool. There. Alright. So I want to look at this. Alright, cool. Let's drop down to a 4-hour. We got them buy stops up here. I can really delete all of this. It's just noise. Straighten that across a little bit. Whew. Look at that precision. Look at that precision. What is this? It's a 4-hour. Okay. I just noticed that. Today. I'm gonna drag that back over like that though. Strap down for 1 hour. This is the week. Monday opened here. So Monday made the high. Tuesday looked like it made the low. Can we run these stops today? Maybe, maybe not. I'm probably not even gonna be trading today though. Today's Thursday. What other news we got? We got home sales at 10. We got medium impact news at 10. No, I don't know. We'll see. It's not looking too hot though, I'll tell you that. Drop down to a 15. We got the weekly low, 1 hour sell stops, 1 hour buy stops. $15-minute relative equal lows. They got ran. I'm gonna delete that. That's not needed. 15-minute buy stops. Cool. 1 hour buy stops. Let's just go ahead and move that right there. Because this is where we're at. There's a volume imbalance up in here. Right there. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Here we go. I might start putting some music on during these lives, cause it be. I mean, I'm just chilling. That's really what trading is. Just be chilling. You know what I'm saying? It seems relaxing, but it's really not. To be honest with you. Yeah, I can't believe I was ignoring, but it is what it is. 'Cause that was crazy. I just can't believe this. I was taking buys. I got my butt smacked, bro. What they say, belt to ass. Marcus was not playing with me on Monday. What was that Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. Tuesday, my bad. Tweaking. Regular trading hours, 5 minutes. So oh, they ran those. Oh, this is the 5 minute. That's why. We wait. I really just saw one screen today. Alright, bet. I'm just gonna stay up here. What is this? Oh. It's a camera and I don't be understanding. Go ahead. So I made the Discord, for those that were wondering. I just gotta actually go live now, for real. I just gotta go live. I'm still working out with working out the bots and whatnot. Continue. I'm about to turn the news on. See what this here news saying. What are we looking for? That's a good question. We are shut up. No. We are not really looking for much. I'm just here to see what price is doing. I like this gap down here. We got what 9:30 in a couple of minutes. I like that gap right there. Tuesday. Tuesday made the low. So I'd like to see, maybe some higher price today. Possibly higher pricing today. Yeah, unless we're gonna break out of this like monthly range. But for a Thursday, it's 10 o'clock news. They could probably use as an excuse to move price. So we'll see. To be honest, that's really what trading is. It's just a big waiting game for real. Ooh, I gotta add like the news, or like put it down in a corner or something. I wonder if I can do that now. Let's try. Let's try. If I mess this stream up live, bruh, look. I apologize in advance. I usually like to watch CNBC, but I'm not about to get involved in all that Thinkorswim and all this extra stuff. It might get loud. Hold on.
Positioning.
Yep. That's what I thought. Alright, so give me 1 moment. Alright, we're going to drop. I think it's that. Yeah, let's go ahead and perfect. There it is. Let's go ahead and add this here news.
Investors with technology, like being concerned, as we talked about, being concerned about DeepSeek, they're being concerned about that sustainability of hyper.
Oh my gosh, that audio is ridiculous too. So let's go ahead and move this. Oh my gosh. Alright. Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna mute it. I'm gonna play. This ain't even there live. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Here we are. Alright, let's try this again. Oh, there we go. All right, maybe a little bit. All right, let's
to the table. One, if surgeons have a measure of emotional intelligence, not much of our training reinforces that. It reinforces skill, not necessarily emotional intelligence. Some self-awareness and emotional intelligence. What they bring to the table of leadership are three fundamental things. Number one, they do everything in teams. Their operations, their patients they see, team focused.
I gotta
Number
figure this
two,
out.
they value process, but they hold themselves
Because I think the
much
audio is
accountable
bad.
to execution.
I don't.
They
I think the
understand
audio is
that
bad.
it's good to explore a patient, but what really matters is did you take the tumor out? Then number three.
So we're just gonna turn that down
Incomplete
and leave that like that.
Those things are realized that
Back to the charts.
as a leader, if I had
Oh,
a
man.
passion for working with people and had some sense of self-awareness.
I went through all of that just to put some news up. Oh, you know what I can do too? I can do this live. I can.
This is Bloomberg Television.
Aha. I could do this too. Turn my volume down, right? And then I can turn system audio back on. Here you go. And then I can turn this up
Tariffs doesn't deter
just a
investors
little
from
bit.
buying futures. NASDAQ futures up 0.8
Bet.
of 1%.
Alright, now we're all in there like swimwear on the 4th of July.
Primo is ringing the bell, and it's a primo stock.
But then I can hear what they're saying,
150% in the past 5 years. They make like Poland Spring water and Saratoga and some of the other
Go ahead and take
sparkling waters
this
that you can probably
captions
buy a lot
off.
of. ACO ringing the bell at the NASDAQ market site. Cool ticker, Octo, but it's only like a $3.3 million company after falling 99% in 2022. Katie, what do you see in terms of the major averages this morning?
Well, it's still a little bit of green, at least
That
for
works.
right now, Matt. Of course, we had 4 straight days of declines, and then the S&P 500 theoretically snapped that, but it was pretty much unchanged yesterday. Now that we're past those NVIDIA results, you can see we're higher by about 0.5%. We do see a little bit more lift when it comes to the NASDAQ.
Oh, that was 9:30.
0.8%.
Yeah, these boys might be waiting until 10 o'clock.
To do in terms of maybe reversing the direction of travel. I can't say the same for the Russell 2000. You take a look at the small stocks in this market right now, pretty much unchanged, really have been just brutalized over the past couple weeks. But at least for Russell 2000, at least for right now, the color is green.
Trading underneath 830 opening price.
And that is NVIDIA. That mixed outlook really being reflected in the minor moves that we're seeing in the stock currently. Analysts were largely positive.
They like swing lower.
But margins were singled out.
There is a
as
1 hour
area of
gap.
relative weakness, which is amazing, because
I'll
we're
show you
still
here.
talking about a 7 handle, but you can see that
This
some of
1
those
hour
market
gap.
gains being brought back now. Shares only up about 1%, Shanali.
And Katie, I've got another AI story for you over
Up
here.
in here, they could come down to.
On a strong sales outlook. It also announced an
So we'll
agreement
see.
to let customers access OpenAI models directly through its system. Snowflake up the most since November, up more than 12% at the market open, and also erasing some of the.
That was nice how they respected that like that. That was nice.
Good day.
That was good. I didn't think that was gonna happen. I thought they were gonna blow right through this. But that's good. That might be tempting people in. I'm not gonna take the trade, but let's see if it works. We get it right there. Aiming for what, right there. But your stop is crazy.
Closer look at NVIDIA with Bloomberg Intelligence senior semiconductor analyst Kunjat Sabani.
I wouldn't take this trade, but I just want to see if it would work.
Just heard, beat by 6%. That doesn't really feel like Jensen Huang, right? They only forecast sales for this quarter in line with expectations. Aren't they supposed to crush it and raise?
Well, yeah, like you said, we have gotten so used to them crushing it every single time that even a fantastic beat and raise compared to what's happening in the rest of the sector, this we take it as a lukewarm.
It's getting
beat.
spicy.
That's what you see in the stock.
Lukewarm is not a word you love to use when it comes down to NVIDIA. I understand that a lot of people buy the story, what is coming ahead, but I really do think numbers matter. If you see margins becoming a question, then don't you need to know, Kunjan, when that story is going to get better on the margin side?
Definitely, and I think the margin sort of what came in below is being overblown. So if you think about it, the margins are lower because they are shipping more Blackwell than they and most of the folks on the street thought, which is actually a good
These
move
wide margins
to us
pinched.
strategically because we want them to get as much Blackwell out in customers' hand as possible, that they can always get back the margins, and that's what they're echoed, that they will get the margins back in the later half once the ramp is up there and they can then focus on cost optimization and yields.
I do want to talk about NVIDIA as it compares to some of the other chip names, and this is my favorite chart. At least
132,
today.
golly.
NVIDIA. You think about Intel, it's just really.
I know somebody that was in at 140. Ugh.
2024, but year to date,
Hate to see it.
Up almost
My stocks are taking a beating.
NVIDIA shares actually in the red right now. Last night's results not enough to boost it back into positive territory. And Kunjan, it's not so much.
Not too bad. I think my overall portfolio is down like 4% for the week in the long-term stocks.
2 points of context that's important, right? When you look at last year,
I don't own Nvidia though, I tell you that. I do not own Nvidia. Intel now. That looks like a good play. That's a good
I
play.
think the rally that you see right now is more of a relief rally around all the news and optimism that the company might get broken off and some saviors might come.
This is a tough trade. I'm glad I'm not in it.
Result in a better shareholder return because currently the company.
Because I'm actually thinking they're gonna take price a little lower until 10 a.m. Or they might move sideways until 10 a.m. Either way, I don't see much happening. That's why I wasn't really too keen on trading today. Especially after yesterday. Yesterday was a crazy day. Like, let's look at yesterday, just on the 15th. This rally was nice. I got out, like, up in here. It was nice. And them boys dropped. Glad I wasn't in that. And then look at the close of the day. That got spicy. Like, what was that? London ain't really do much. But they dropped into this order block right here. That was cool. Is that even an order block? That's probably not even an order block. Probably a rejection block. Oh, okay. There she go.
Frankly, neither of those two have been much use to you in the last few years. We know markets have been incredibly concentrated, not just in the US but around the world. Increasing the
There she go.
by a handful of stocks.
I know people that take trades and they be like, yo,
I thought the headline that
here's my stop. So that's the bottom of the candle I got in. They probably would have exited right there. Is that a 1-to-1?
with roughly a 70% operating margin.
Yes, bro. I used to take trades like this.
And remains so, and in our view still
I used to take tiny little trades like this.
But the point is
And for me to sit in all of this drama?
the price.
Yeah, I mean, it would be amazing if
No,
we did
sir.
expect Paul to grow revenue at 70%. So, and that's what the stock market's all about, right? It's a
This to me makes more sense. 56 points
If everybody expects 100%, then 70% isn't going to be
opposed to what? That little 15?
Which is why I think looking for opportunities outside.
But hey, to
of
each their own.
stocks we talk about all the time, making sure your portfolio is facing forward, looking for
Is that a scaling opportunity right there?
just overweighting those that have worked so well.
Possibly,
Even
possibly
if
not.
rebalance is an important thing to do, and I think a lot of investors might not do.
It's
They
funny,
break this
right?
candle,
Back
this
in
down up
the
candle.
talking about the S&P
They break this low, it's
This
over
is
with.
kind of my new
in my
favorite
opinion.
to watch because it has performed
Oh
pretty
yeah, it's
well,
not looking
actually,
too good.
particularly
Where they gonna close
relative
at
to
too?
trades investors had tried to bite on, like the Russell 2000. It's just not. Sorry, it has not
Is
paid
that
off.
year to date? Is that S&P?
Yeah, it's over with.
This is one.
That's
year.
it.
So if you look, it's not quite up and to the right.
That'd been your little 1-to-1 trade is over.
So how do you feel about the idea of running? If you're trying to look outside of Mag 7, if you're
Quick
trying to
liquidity
look
right
outside of
here.
NVIDIA, where do you look?
Yeah, so the broadening has to be driven by fundamentals. right? That last year, Magnificent Seven profits up.
They waiting on 10 o'clock.
I think the other 493 stocks.
Because this is range based. This is range. They ranging right now. They are waiting on 10 o'clock. Because the range is from there to there. And they ain't even broke out the range yet for real.
Cash flows, and the rest of the market we think is picking up. That's the crucial point. As we pass through the fourth quarter earnings, plenty of growth in the economy,
We'll
plenty
see.
of growth in the corporate sector, but we are seeing slowly some signs of that broadening out. Retailers, a good example of that, right? So they've been in this kind of 3-year slump after the COVID boom. Home Depot and Lowe's said some better things about what's going on this year. It's coming through slowly. So you need the fundamentals on your side. Ultimately, investing is all about fundamentals.
Right.
But I think also you can look beyond the US. So European stocks, which have been really something to avoid mentioning on TV or anywhere else for most of the last 15 years, have shown some signs of life. And while I wouldn't for a minute expect companies in the US in aggregate to grow as fast as the US, and we think the valuation argument for Europe is often kind of overstated. It's not as simple as 14 times.
Let's see if they give you a sell entry.
The US, European companies
Will they give you a sell entry is the question. They finally broke out the range. I like to see them come back, maybe even tap
We've seen investors running
Tap
from Europe
this,
for a lot.
maybe?
Our European clients have wanted
or
nothing
tap
but
here.
US equities.
I like to see one more up candle before they drop it.
I think it's an overlooked market. We think European earnings
I like this candle to shoot up.
this year, which is
Oh,
not as good as the US.
they leaving.
Yeah,
Train
it's
left
not
the
bad.
station.
It's funny. When this show
Goodbye.
started in July, I didn't want to talk about the Dow, and I didn't want to talk about any other stock market but the U.S. I still don't want to talk about the Dow, but I do want to talk about Europe because I was going to
Train
ask
left
you
the station. Goodbye.
valuations for European equities and the fundamentals. We were speaking with
They
Maria
coming for
Whitman
down in
from
here.
State Street, a week or two ago, and she said that
Fix my posture.
maybe the valuation argument is there, but the fundamentals are just weak.
All right,
when you
no.
take a look at Europe, it sounds like obviously you're taking the other side of that.
That's what they coming for.
The US has outperformed Europe by 7% a year for the last 15 years. You compound that up, that's an enormous difference in the outlook.
That's what
If you
they're
analyse
coming
that 7%,
for.
About 5 percentage points of it is better earnings growth. At the beginning of that period, though, European stocks and US stocks were priced about the same, which in hindsight was a huge mistake. Investors
That's
were
good
seeing
money
the
right
same
there.
slow growth
Boom.
as they were paying for US with all the energy and the dynamism that we see here. But now you have this.
Good, but why would you have taken a sell right here?
That weak growth. And then this
Mm.
year, we think earnings in Europe up around 9%. We've had 2 years of no growth at all, but currencies
Okay.
in your favor, some low base.
Let's say you didn't catch it right
There's
there.
some great investment opportunities in
What
Europe.
would you have caught though?
Financials, for example.
Well, I have a kind of a left field question on Europe. Lisa Shallot was mentioning.
See, I don't even trade liquidity grabs. Like I don't trade. I don't. There is no entry for me up in here, so I don't even understand how I would have got
This group of countries, which historically
maybe on the 5 minute. But if you had entered like up in here,
you know, to
maybe on like this candle when they rejected off of this order block with your stop above there, 30-point stop, and you was oh, that was the trade.
Politics, both in terms of what policies would be,
That was the
and then what they will
trade.
actually do, is a very dangerous.
I be looking for 100 points. That was the trade. I missed it. I didn't even see it for real.
But even
I didn't even
without
see it.
that kind of additional benefit,
This is
we think
crazy.
fundamentals in Europe are reasonable.
Cause I'm looking. Let me take this off now.
Value investment.
So this is really all I'm looking at right here. Boom. This right here. Let's make that orange.
JP Morgan's Paul Quincy, we thank you
They
so very much for your
straight
time
through,
and valuation, Matt. And
right?
you know, the funny thing about this is Nvidia cheap or expensive? You look at it today,
broke
you're
mass
buying
structure.
gains on the morning you raced. It's early in the
And
day.
they came up and they kept the body of the candles. None of the body of the candles closed
About 1.4%. That obviously is your biggest
in this
S&P
candle.
500 right now, which overall
That is what I
still
should have been
positive.
looking
So
at.
to me, you talk about value. This isn't value.
None of the bodies of the candles. Let me even look on the 1 minute.
I mean, we were looking at 30.
It's all 50-50.
We've been at
You know what I mean? After the fact, when it don't matter.
Yeah, I'm starting to question
But this is why I stream. So when I look back, I can be like, okay, I can catch that next time. So what? This is the 5 minute candle right here.
and tell me,
Okay.
Open interest after hours.
those
Okay.
valuations
Yeah,
are
see?
much higher.
Right here, it would have got
We're gonna
spicy.
continue to
You'd have been like,
focus
oh, it's
on
over with
stock
for this
and
trade.
Nvidia shares and watch what it
With a
does
30-point
to
stop,
the broader market so far. We're still seeing gains.
Let's say you got in on like this third one with a 30-point stop, 29.
Almost meaningless.
Never heard of it.
Still something.
First, that was a damn good trade. I wonder if anybody took shorts. I wonder. And I wonder what it means. What it means. Oh, I ain't even peeped the gap. Look at this gap. Of course. Look. They opened up way up here. They come filling that in. I'm telling you, it's so much to be like looking at one time. What a day. That's why I wasn't trading today for real. Like, I just wasn't feeling it. We got 10 o'clock news.
You start as an entrepreneur, you're not just building your business, which of course you are,
Oh, wait.
but you're also building an organization. And most people don't realize that.
Yeah, it's always after the
An
fact.
organization is not just about hiring people. It's about the culture, it's about the systems, the values, the mission. You know, it's about.
But it was clear signs on both sides. You know what I mean? This was up for the grabs, and this was up for grabs. So, you know what I mean? You win some, you lose some. I'm just glad I recorded this, so now I can come back and, you know what I mean, catch this.
You look at it and you marvel and you think about, you know, how was this created? And was I the person that was behind getting this thing done?
Jumpstart your trading day on Bloomberg Open Interest.
2 hours of single stock stories that are driving the open bell action.
We'll take you to Wall Street, Main Street, the C-suite, and beyond. These are
The
companies.
boys ran that liquidity, broke out of the range. That was good. That was good stuff right there. That was good price action, in my opinion. And what they take it back down to? Midnight price. Bro, y'all can't tell me it's not an algorithm, bro. Like, you just... Shout out ICT. You know what I mean? Shout out ICT. That man talk about paradigm shift. That paradigm shift. That's it. That's it right there. I still got a lot of work to do. A lot of studying to do, a lot of concepts to understand. A lot of time in the market I gotta put in on top of what I've already put in. But I'm just glad, I'm just happy. I am grateful. Praise the Lord.
The only daily business show dedicated to tech, right in the middle of the trading action. Live every weekday, only on Bloomberg Television. Context changes everything.
I think y'all getting the echo for real. I don't even know for real.
Welcome back to Bloomberg Open Interest. A check on the stock market right now. We were just
Yeah, they brought it down to the 1 hour gap I was talking about.
S&P 500 still holding on to its gains.
You see what I'm saying? This that gap I was talking about.
Giving up its leadership, still in the green for
I'd love to see how they respect this.
being paired. The Russell 2000 also deepening its sell-off. Nvidia obviously is not in this index, but it seems like those small cap traders looking for a reason to sell here. Let's get to our top calls. Some of the analyst action in focus this morning. And first up, we have Constellation Brands no longer a buy over at Morgan Stanley. The Corona maker getting downgraded on long-term beer concerns, down about 3.3%. Next up, we have Goldman Sachs, also no longer a buy over at KBW. It's getting downgraded because of uncertainties around tariffs, inflation, and interest rates, but this stock hit an all-time high earlier in this month, so they're doing okay. And finally, we have Checkpoint Software getting upgraded to a buy over at JP Morgan thanks to positive growth trends. Shares up about 0.6%, Matt Miller.
All right, very cool. Checkpoint up, although only 0.6%, better than a stick in the eye. Some more of the movers that are on our radar this morning. eBay sales for the current quarter miss analyst estimates because of soft demand in Germany and the UK. So eBay down, well, decimated, really down almost 10%. JM Smucker with optimistic guidance.
That might have been your only sell entry right there.
Help to boost revenue. This
Have you
is
ever
like,
had those?
You'd be selling low, but if you get in now,
To be honest, they're great when they're kind of frozen still.
Yeah. I
stop
love them
above
even now
there.
as an adult woman.
Target there, that's 55 points, 60 points.
James Smucker,
I would like to
obviously.
try.
Can it go another 120 points? Let's see. We're looking at the gap. We're looking at the sell stops below.
Interesting that it's down, right?
It's midnight price.
See Moderna also down as the White House reevaluates
See, that's a low trade.
$90 million contract for bird flu.
That's selling low, hoping to sell even lower.
Price.
You came to the discount store and try to get a discount at the discount store. Like, yo, what? Everything's already discounted. You know what I mean?
As well, but Moderna obviously moving big time on that news. I will say for JM Smucker, just to go back to that, Uncrustables a real bright spot, but they reported a drop in sales in coffee and dog snacks. So there you go.
Maybe dogs are going healthier. I know I don't let my dog eat snacks.
I'm giving my dog less coffee. So all that is bad news for JM Smuckers.
All right, let's get to Nvidia. Those shares, as we showed you,
This is the get down.
turning negative in this market, now down a little bit more than 1% after, I won't say disappointing with an outlook, because I think the street was looking for an average of 42.3 billion. And they
I think the coolest thing I read yesterday
forecast for the fiscal first quarter at 43
was that
billion.
Goldman Sachs CEO is a DJ who like actually DJs music festivals. Like this man don't just be playing any backyard. Like this man actually got gig on it.
So my question
Thought that
is,
was
at
funny.
what point is it a buying opportunity?
Yeah,
once again?
especially with those PEs that Matt Miller doesn't care about.
That's a good question. I do care about the PE, but I'm looking at the CAPE ratio, studying that on Bloomberg Terminal. Tom Keene is going to help.
So we at the bottom of the 1 hour gap.
Two,
We're at midnight open price.
teaming up for a highly anticipated
Ooh, it's
ETF.
just, you know what I mean? We got 10 o'clock news.
Exciting, I think, in today's
There we
Wall
go.
Street
We're
beat.
gonna see.
We're going to talk about private equity in a
I'm not trading. This is like a demo trade. I just have the trading tool over it just to see, but I'm not trading. Hands in pockets type thing. I just wanted to come, pull up, so I can make sure I get in the routine of pulling up, live streaming. I wanted to watch the market, see price action today. So this was truly the entry, right? Like if you really precision with it. This for real was the entry. Oh. I mean that. They can't tap. Or when they broke down off of this and tapped it back and closed here, that could have been another entry too. This was like a, oh my gosh, I missed the move. Let me get in.
Real yield around the world.
Should
right
never be
here on
trading like
Bloomberg.
that.
Context changes everything.
So they can come back up, boom,
US
come
tech
here,
is influencing
drop,
global
filling all of this, drop. But we gonna see. We got a news catalyst. We got a catalyst coming up. You know what I mean? So this might just continue sinking. Just another day, another day.
Of global finance, economics, and politics.
This is why we show up every day.
Bloomberg brings you conversations that allow for deep discussions and important insights. What do you think the future is for inflation? Is this a new normal? Are markets too optimistic? How do you worry about the things that are outside your control? How does the current fighting completely stop? I'm Francine Lacqua, and this is The Pulse, every weekday only on Bloomberg.
U.S. jobs numbers are released. Bloomberg has the report under surveillance with crucial data and expert analysis at terminal
That's
speed.
nice.
Nobody covers jobs day like Bloomberg.
And it's time now for the Wall
And if you were scared, if for real, this was also another entry right here when they came back and tapped that. Like that was a good entry.
It will test the limits of investor appetite for one of the hottest areas of finance. It's set to trade under the ticker PRIB. Joining us now, Eric Balchunas, Bloomberg Intelligence Senior ETF Analyst. You know, it's hard, Katie has been pointing out to me earlier, it's going to be hard to figure
When
out.
I see Nas rip like that, 100 points,
Trades, really.
that ain't 100
But
points, not yet. That's like
potential
16.
change
Ooh.
to industries.
We almost there though.
Apollo started a trade
100
in
points.
order to make
That just blows my. Every time I see Nas move 100 points, because that's all I'm ever looking for.
more liquid.
100 points.
But do you still see any concerns around liquidity if things go bad?
Yeah, that's a big concern, right? There's the
Imagine
fund-
100
it's
points.
really a trailblazing fund because prior to this you can only have up to 15% in illiquid securities.
At $20 a
With this,
point.
you can go up to 35 and even more.
One contract is still 2,000.
This is going further than any ETF has gone.
Stop
and
it.
They solved that by using Apollo, and the SEC was okay with that.
Look at that,
But
look at
yeah,
that, look at that,
if
look
there's
at
a
that.
liquidity issue, right? I will say,
Oh.
I think this ETF should be considered a hybrid. It's like mostly
Oh.
ETF, but maybe a little closed-end fund. But here's the thing: we've seen this happen before.
You just gotta give her a round of applause. You know, like
Stocks that it owned,
Nas's
they got
wife,
liquid.
bro. I'm telling you.
ETFs traded on. Their arbitrage bands stretched it a little bit, but they still trade. And my opinion is
100
investors
points.
have been
I
accustomed
love
now
it.
for years to occasionally
I
having
love it.
stuff that goes illiquid inside the portfolio. The ETF.
What can I say? I love it.
Understand that the percent premium discount will stretch a little bit. So I think the market's going to be comfortable with this. The question is, will they want it? Versus private equity. How much will it return? I think those things matter too.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean,
Ooh. That's the day, yo. That's the day. That's, I mean, like, you can't ask for more. You can't ask for more. You know what I mean? Seek ye the kingdom of God and all his righteousness, and all these things shall be added on to you. I'm telling you. Get in your KJV, start reading, pray, and whatever you need. You know what I mean? He'll give it to you. Go read about Solomon when he visited Solomon in a dream, and he asked Solomon, "What you want?" Imagine the Lord can't ask you that right now. What you want? What you gonna ask for? You gotta be smart. You gotta be smart. But I really don't got nothing else. That was a good day. I didn't take any trades. I took 0 trades. But just watching price action unfolding like that, you know, marking up potential targets, watching how it unfolds and is delivered to those price targets is, to me, amazing. So y'all have a good day. I look forward. I will not be here tomorrow. I do not trade Fridays. Fridays are a trap day. I will see y'all on Monday if I don't upload any videos over the weekend. Again, like, share, comment if you feel so. I hope you find value in this. Until next time.